What's up, YouTube family? Gerald Greenlee here with Clean and Green Lawn Service in South Georgia. Riding out to look at a property. Man, I got so much to do this week. I don't even want to talk about it. Just everything hit at once. And now it's supposed to rain. Rain. Got a mess, man. I'm going to look at a property that needs a cleanup. This particular, and I think it's going to just be a rough cleanup. This is one of those deals where a city ordinance has told a property owner they got to get the property cleaned up. And so I'm going over here to look at it. I looked at it yesterday just briefly, but I wasn't sure exactly what the customer wanted. I was looking at it more of a, hey, we're going to clean it up, get it looking good. And so that's not the case. It's basically run over it and knock the weeds down kind of deal, I think. So this is this house was bought to be refurbished and turned into a rental property or put up for sale. Probably a rental property. This guy's got a lot of rental properties. And so I reckon I can let you see this. It's pretty crazy. Let me get you out here real quick. First thing is, my hustler will not mulch that up. Somebody is supposed to be getting the trees, from what I understand. There's this tree, there's a tree down in the back, there's a tree down on the side. But the good news is it's up off the ground, so trimming all that stuff out. But man, I'm about scared to put my foot in there. If you want to get an idea what this looks like, man, I don't even know where to start. You know, I've been a lot of properties, but I don't even, I mean, like a total cleanup to get it looking good. You're talking about some money, but just to run over it and beat it down. I mean, he's basically just trying to make sure the city don't fine him. This is on his list of homes to be renovated and to be put up for you know, rent or whatever, and it's probably gonna be a while before his crew gets to here. He's got multiple projects going, so he just needs it knocked down, you know, keep city off of him until you know, once he gets over here. Now his yards, this place will look beautiful when he gets done with it. Does a really good job. Anyway, I don't know, man, I'm just rambling on, so I need to, let me put this down and go ahead and look and try to figure out, at least shoot him a price on this. All right, I got one done. I went ahead and went to the property first that I can't record on. Earlier I kind of went and did a bid, then I went back, picked up my trailer, all that kind of stuff, out trying to beat the rain. So I got one done, and it's, well, I'd say it's partly cloudy right now. I got another one that I'm about to do now. That's one of my bi-weeklies. Then I got to go to a new property, first cut on it. It'll be a bi-weekly property. And I got one more bi-weekly that I might try to get this afternoon. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. If I got time, I'm gonna try to get it, because I don't, you know, I got a bunch to do this week, and I don't really know how the weather's going to cooperate. I'm going to try to get y'all a little bit of footage of this one. This is a small yard. The most excitement on it is picking up pine cones. But, and the grass, and man, we aren't getting any rain, so the grass is probably in terrible shape. I know the last property I just did, if it wasn't for Bahia, and like this yard here on the corner, it has got patches all in it. The last yard, if it wasn't for Bahia, it wouldn't have nothing to cut. But anyway, yeah, looks like this has got some Bahia. I'm gonna pull up in here and trim it up, pick it up, run over it, and get out of here and get to this new property. But anyway, I'll check back with y'all in a few minutes. Alright guys, here we go on the cleanup. Hey, bunch of magnolia. Of course, a bunch of pine cones and stuff too. This is a corner property. There's a ton of straw and limbs and all that kind of good stuff. Honestly, there's not hardly any grass, but there's some cleanup to do on the other side of that trampoline. But once we once we get this stuff cut and get this stuff off the ground, hopefully then we'll be able to get some grass growing. So I just want to shoot you a little bit of footage of this. I'm gonna take me a picture of it, and then I'm gonna get to work. Oh my, what a dusty mess, fellas, ladies and gentlemen. This is crazy. This is crazy. I didn't get any footage during. It was just too dusty. But I blew up straw around all of these trees. Pretty much all the trees and stuff look like this. That's all the straw off the ground. And these magnolia leaves, which I hate. I ran over them several times, mulched them up. Got it looking pretty good. This front yard. Bunch of sticks. Bunch of sticks. Here's a stick I didn't even get up. There we go. That's some good footage of me. Something I missed. But it's okay. You never get a yard like this. Well, you can get it. You can get it looking like new the first time. But this is an account I picked up, so you know, each time it'll get a little better. It's very sandy, but I did recover the sidewalk. I mean, I just kind of blew it off. I didn't get, you know, again, I didn't go crazy with it. This was kind of a rough cleanup, if you will. Now, I mean, I didn't charge regular price for this, but this is somebody, this is a single mom deal. You know, somebody works hard, somebody's trying to do the right thing, and so, you know, I'm trying to help out a little bit. But anyway, let me go up here and see if she's at home, and might let her look at it or whatever she wants to do. And then I'll probably have time to go cut another one. Check back with y'all. look at there. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna make it get down in there. You see that? I don't know how that's showing up on there. Anyway, 19,000 miles. Well, I just finished up number 4 for today, and I don't know if you can tell. It is a dirty, dirty mess. I'll do something really gross. Well, that won't even take it off. Man. I put some of that 409 on it. That cleaned up a little bit. Dirty mess. Anyway, that's a wrap on today. That's 4 of them. I think for the week I got about maybe like 10 or something. I don't know. I done lost count between cleanups and regular services and this, that, and other. But anyway, today's done. See, I started. What time I started? But it's 7:39 now, and I wish I had time to go get one more down the road from the house, but I just don't think I got the time. I never cut it before, and it's not in bad shape, but I hate to get down there first time cutting something, get pressed for time, and have to do something. So I'm just gonna hold off, and I'll put it on schedule for Thursday, which I told her it might be Saturday before I ever got to it anyway. So, you know, I mean, it's not like it's a rush. I've pushed several things to Saturday, potentially, that I'm planning to have done before then, but I don't know what the weather's going to do this week. So, anyway, I ain't going to prolong this thing. I don't know how much footage I'll end up putting on here, but I really only got that last yard there I just done. That cleanup was it was such a mess, so dusty. There's hardly any grass on the ground because of all that straw and coverage that's been on it. You wouldn't been able to see much of nothing anyway. So anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. If you hadn't already, I'd love for you to subscribe to the channel, and my prayer for you is always the same, that the Lord might richly bless you and that you might see all of your blessings as from Him. Have a great day.